Hey YouTube, it's Jordan's Reptiles. So basically be a bit of an introduction. I've got to my reptile collection. I'm getting a knobtail gecko, Nephris levis pulverensis, probably coming on Wednesday. In Australia it's Thursday at the moment. And right now I just have a blue tongue. His name's Rex, and we'll probably be feeding him a bit of banana. So I'll put some video of that. There's Rex eating some banana like an animal. Rip it up. All finished. I want to give him another piece of banana because he liked that piece. Come on. Here you go. Right, I think that should be enough. We'll get a close up of him eating again. Alright. Probably make another video of him later. Yeah, see ya.